Hi, Dr. Steph Pino here with Noble Choice Chiropractic, and today I want to talk about neck adjustments and how exactly chiropractic helps with headaches. So we see headaches every day in our office. It's a very common complaint for us to see, and chiropractic is super effective in helping eliminate or just alleviate those headaches in general. So before I show you how we adjust the neck, I just want to make sure you've got a good background on what exactly it is that we're doing here in our office. So here I've got my spine model, and we have the vertebrae, and at the top here you've got your spinal cord, so you can see your spinal cord traveling through these holes kind of here in the bones. What happens is your spine can kind of twist like this and get stuck. So instead of its normal motion like this and like this, it'll turn and get stuck. That stuck area can irritate this nerve and send pain signals to your head. So if this is in your neck, sometimes you'll feel it going all the way up to your head, behind your eyes, even settling right here in your forehead as well. So what we do as chiropractors is we find where do you have these subluxations where that bone is stuck, and once we find them, we use our hands and we put them back in place. That helps to take the pressure off this nerve, to get pain relief, and also to help with overall function for other organs in your body. So we'll go ahead and show you an adjustment right now. All right, so I have my patient here, and he's complaining of headaches. So the first thing that I'm doing is I am palpating his neck to see where he has any of those subluxations or where those joints are stuck. So I can feel one right here on the right side. Now with normal adjusting, what we do is we generally push from behind back to front. I'm still doing the same thing in the neck here, but I have to turn his head first just because of the way that the bones are aligned in the neck. So in order to do that, we'll turn his head first and then give a little thrust. So what I'm doing is I'm contacting here with my hand. I'm bending him. I'm going to get to the end range of motion. I'm going to give a little push and adjust that bone right back into alignment with the rest of the spine. So before I do this, if you hear any like popping or cracking noises, that's just gas leaving the joint. So it's just the same as if you're popping your knuckles. Totally normal. No surprise if you hear it at all. All right. Good. Okay, so now that bone is right back in alignment, that means that it's going to send signals back to the brain, hopefully to relieve pain, but also to make sure that the rest of his body is functioning as it should be. We do this all the time. We see people with headaches all the time, and we are looking forward to helping you with your headaches as well.